Good Monday to you. This is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Monday, November 5th. Taking a look here at some satellite imagery, and I'll point your attention to this stream of moisture that extends from the central Pacific Ocean all the way into the Pacific Northwest. This will be moving through the Pacific Northwest and through Montana and northern Idaho through Wednesday, and that'll provide some chances for snow showers, especially in the mountains. And we'll show you a little bit more in detail coming up. First, impacts timeline for you through midweek. Some minor impacts from southwest to west winds with gusts up to 35 miles per hour this afternoon and early evening, mostly across the eastern Magic Valley and southern Snake River Plain. In terms of snow, I mentioned on and off snow showers are expected in the mountains. We may see some heavier snow showers this evening in the early overnight hours in and around Island Park, which may cause some slick travel there. And some of that lingers into Tuesday and Wednesday before coming to an end later on Wednesday. I'll show you the forecast radar now through Wednesday. Again, these areas in blue here depict where the chance for snow showers is highest. And as we go to the morning, notice the greatest potential for snow showers is in and around the Palisades, Pine Creek Pass area. And by the time we go through the afternoon, we can see some snow shower activity picking up here along the divide in the Island Park area. And again, some of those could be briefly heavy this evening. And notice some additional activity back here towards Stanley and areas north of Chalice as we go through the evening hours. And it remains sort of status quo as we go through the overnight. And we start to see some of those diminish. Keep an eye out here for there's a low end potential, maybe some showers sneaking in the Idaho Falls area tomorrow morning. And then a similar story as we go through the day tomorrow, Tuesday. Snow showers again pick up across the mountains with perhaps some heavier snow showers in that Island Park vicinity. And you can see how those continue to progress as we go through Tuesday evening and overnight Tuesday before they gradually come to an end later on Wednesday. Start you off here by looking at wind gusts this morning. Mainly in the 25 to 30 mile per hour range in the eastern Magic Valley, but areas around Idaho and Yale will likely see those wind gusts in that 40 to 45 mile per hour range in those localized areas there continuing through the morning. Winds do pick up and expand this afternoon, gusting again to near 35 miles per hour across the southern parts of the Arco Desert and the eastern Magic Valley. So some crosswinds there for, say, Highway 93 from Twin Falls north to Bellevue. And you can see some stronger wind gusts in the higher terrain south of Interstate 84 for this afternoon. Similar story as we go through the evening. And then the winds gradually start to decrease, but still remaining breezy overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, still some breezy winds down here in these same areas as today, but about 10 miles per hour less than what we're expecting for today. And finally, as we get into Tuesday evening, overnight, and Wednesday morning, we finally start to see the winds gradually die down. Showing you 6-hour snowfall amounts here to give you an idea of when the snow might be heaviest. These areas in white is where we're expecting the light snow showers this morning. This afternoon, start to see some of those heavier snow showers in the Island Park vicinity, and particularly by this evening. Notice also potentially some heavier snow showers here from Stanley to Clayton in those areas. And those do diminish somewhat overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. But by Tuesday afternoon, potential for some heavier snow showers in that Island Park vicinity. Taking a quick look at temperatures here for today. Highs getting well into the 40s across the Arco Desert, Snake Plain, and the valleys across the southern highlands here. Mountains, though, staying into the 30s. For tonight, essentially all areas falling back below freezing. Tomorrow, similar high temperatures as what are forecast for today. Maybe a couple of degrees cooler up here towards Island Park. Some some of these areas may not get above freezing, even for high temperatures. And cold for Wednesday morning. All areas well below freezing. Some areas, some valleys even getting below 15 here as we get closer to the Wyoming border, and certainly central mountain valleys approaching that threshold. And the temperatures really through the rest of the week, similar to what we're expecting for Wednesday. And here's a look at those highs Wednesday, cracking the 40-degree barrier, basically from Pocatello west and across the valleys towards Preston and Malad. That concludes the briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we'll welcome those at the phone number or email address you see there. Thank you.